Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Things I'm not. I'm just allergic to the air. I'm allergic to oxygen. It was Saturday night, went into the festival. All the gigs were over, so I went to one of the food stalls. I've let you down, I'm so sorry. Got £6. Then I went on the sofa and passed out. And ate them, drank a bit, went to bed. Nice and simple. It really nowhere like this. It was all tingly.